This is the highest tech facility I've ever seen, and it's also why you pick a specialized contractor and a specialized team of design folks who understand hospitals, understand high technology.
Healthcare is probably the most highly constrained, highly regulated building type there is. We have worked successfully with Mortenson on previous projects, and I think that they're a firm that will put what's best for the client and the project first always. We knew that both of us had we had a common goal. We all wanted the best outcome for the project and for the owner. The team's huge, so you have multiple team members trying to coordinate huge amounts of detailed information in a very compressed time.
The project team not only was countrywide, most of the players were here in Denver, but then we had a prefab warehouse and we had prefab partners in Boston. We can't have everybody in the same room. So inherently we have to have this virtual war room to be able to move forward.
We used review sessions. It allowed the contractors, subcontractors, and the architects and the engineers to all look at the same drawing with the same markups, all have the ability to mark up the drawing. Things were more accurate. We were all able to communicate faster.
If we can't use the tools that allow us to be more efficient, then we're not delivering on the promises that we've given to our owners. It's the old way and it's the new way. This is one of the critical pieces of technology that allows us to be efficient in many different areas.
We could hold up the model on a 3D PDF in Bluebeam Review and show them this is what this equipment's going to look like, this is where the head of the bed is. Leveraging that tool for a user group that's not construction savvy is invaluable.
Literally every week, once we broke ground, I could get a picture where the construction team thought we were supposed to be, and I could have a picture of actually where we were. So it was a really collaborative, cooperative area, and it was, partly it's technology, part of it's good folks, but part of it's accessing everything they can access for the benefit of the project.
When we're able to decrease a project schedule by 6 months on a $623 million hospital, that speaks for itself.